Oh, we jumping into I'm a S-Class beast again. Y'all know what time it is. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm kind of enjoying this one. We are jumping into solo leveling today. Don't get it twisted. And rocking the rock. So let's get into it. That's a way to wake up. Not the ear. Run, boy, run. Huh? Facts. What's she doing to that poor kid? Vulcan. And she's C rank too. It's so small. That man living the best life in his second life. Armor for him? He's so small. What type of armor can you really make him? At least you could use your skills and not get in trouble, bruh. That was a worry at one point. What about the other weapon? Oh, so she can't wield her swords right. That's the issue. Then go to daggers. Yeah, it'll come in handy. Damn! She's a hammer girl. Be a smart goblin. Run away! Oh, she got knuckles. I'm feeling bad for the goblin. Ugh. That ogre looks nasty. Game, set, match. Oh, nah. So he thought the same thing I was thinking. Think on your paws. Mm-hmm. Just watch. It's her acceleration, really. She need to switch the daggers, really. That's what I always said. Really? There you go. See? Daggers. Long swords was never the issue. It just, she is not the weapon for her. Ugh, that sound. I don't know what to use as a thumbnail. His face. She's very pissed. Yes. You get some short daggers, girl. Along with the short knives and throwing knives. Philosopher soon? I love this show. You are lying. Love this show. Y'all split up. Oh. Yeah, the stat you just got, bro. Crossbreed. Where's this show going? Why are you like that? Who wrote this shit? Wait a minute! It's a cat, yo! Facts. You may be in trouble, bro. Like I thought. Squished. What dream are you having? It's a cat. Oh, it's letting you evolve. I know you're. Uh-huh. Just fucking with a kid, bro. Sad. She's an orphan. Hmm? You can't just be taking people's kids. So she'd be collecting the kids on the street, huh? Lord, the jiggle figures. Why she don't wear a bra? Oh, she a C ranker now. Mm-hmm. Give me a break. Uh-oh. Look like she's getting active. Alright, we have a new party member. More Jizzle fixes. For some reason they want to fuck him. He's a cat. It's gonna be hard to defend this. Y'all pray for me.